gorgeous this looks. And exciting package. Good morning. Today's an exciting day for the house. I just got a notification that our rug got delivered from Nordic Knots, which I'm so excited about. And our utensil set got delivered. Things are slowly starting to come together. So we're gonna go downstairs really quick and pick it up from our package room. And then hopefully I'm gonna be setting it up. I'm so excited. I feel like we've kind of gotten things like pretty quickly here. Like it's like slowly starting to come together, but quicker than I was imagining it would come together. I wasn't expecting to get the rug so soon just because it's a little expensive, but here we are. Okay, I'm gonna go grab it and I can't wait to unbox it. Unboxing the utensils. This is what they look like. Our decor style right now is just mixing mixing materials, metals, woods. So I wanted to go for something kind of organic feeling. So we did wooden and stainless steel utensils. And they're packaged so nicely. Let's see, spoons, forks. I'm so happy with them. They're so nice. So I just unboxed all of the utensils. Look at how gorgeous this looks. I love it. I love how the wood doesn't completely match, like they don't all match. And it just like really feels like super organic. So when I unboxed the rug, you're gonna see like the pop of color we chose. And it's only to kind of like break up all like the warmness of all like the browny, woody, caramelly tones that we've got going on. Lots of warm colors here. So I wanted something like on the cusp of cool, if that makes sense, to kind of just like break up all like the warmness. For this apartment, we wanted it to be more kind of like mid-century modern, Japan-y, very like zen but cool. So I think that we're hitting the nail on the head in terms of design, but we do got a little ways to go. We need still to order our dining chairs, we need a coffee table, we need a dresser for the room, we need a vacuum. I need to get that like actually ASAP, but so far so good. This is like what we got going on back there. I need to figure out the TV. Is it gonna get mounted? Is it going to get an easel? I don't know. I'm still trying to figure out everything first, and then like the layout and stuff before we permanently mount the TV, because then that would be a little bit of a disaster if I felt like I wanted to do some, you know, feng shui. All that to say is we just want to figure out our layout first before we start drilling things into the wall. We did just drill like the lamp and the projector shelf in our room, and I'll show you that later. But yeah, so this is the rug. She's right there. I'm sitting at the table right now, but she's right there. I can't wait to roll her out. I can't wait to see it in person. I love Nordic Knots rugs. They're so like luxurious, and you can tell that they're made from like the highest quality materials. So yeah, that's just a little update on the house stuff. I'm like taking like a picture. Gotta get the shot. Just give you an overview before I unroll it. All right, we ready? We're gonna unroll it. Wow, I mean, those colors are so good together. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to put this under here. Oh my god, it feels so plush and good. Look at how pretty this is. I think those two colors look so great. I was also thinking maybe if I take this pillow off and I'll do like two little rectangle, like mustardy yellow, like suede pillows. That could also look nice. But actually, I am very pleased with this couch and this rug, and it feels so luxurious and thick and like I said, well crafted. And then the light is coming in over there, and it just is giving the most pretty little highlight to the couch. I just need to get a vacuum and start like making it all look one color, because right now there's like little stripes going on, but it's like one of those it feels kind of like velvet, like when you move it it goes lighter or darker. So good morning. Starting our day off in Boston today and getting on the train. We're gonna have a boxing class this morning. Exercise fit check. No, Boston's so cute right now. It's quiet. It's Saturday morning. It's like 7 something, but there's like nobody on the road. I can't wait for the after the workout class, getting like a chai. Maybe I'll get a warm chai today, but I'm excited. Ooh, I have butterflies. I get like butterflies when I try a new class that I've never been to before, because you just don't know the vibes, you know? Like, are the people cool? Are they nice? Or are they like bitchy? Anywho, I will see you after class. My camera was broken this weekend and I couldn't show you the cuteness we experienced. This is the first weekend that we were able to kind of like walk around downtown, and we went to like a little cafe. My eyes are bloodshot, by the way. I'm so greasy. I just got home from work. I feel disgusting, but I did get this package in, and basically it's a stand for my TV, like a literal stand, not like a TV stand, like it literally stands up and you just mount it to this stand instead of mounting the TV to the wall, just because in this kind of space, like, what if I want to reconfigure the living room like 10 times? I don't want to settle on like a certain layout. If you mount the TV onto the wall, it's kind of stuck there. Like, the way that you have your couch is the way it's gonna have to stay. So I got this TV stand from Wayfair. I'm gonna open it up and build it, and then put my TV on, see how it looks. so far. I am on step number 4. And I just broke my camera. So I'm either gonna have to fix that or buy a new one. I don't know what's gonna happen. I am so annoyed because that's my favorite camera in the entire world. Trying to stay calm by building this thing. I did this all by myself. Yay, now we have a TV stand. It's gonna go over there in the corner. And then I'm gonna make that more pretty over there. Right now we're just still playing with everything, but yay, TV stand. Okay, it's Sunday and we're building our dresser. It came today. I literally ordered it on Thursday night, like at 11 p.m. And it came so fast. It said it was supposed to come like this week, but don't mind the couch. We were just chilling. This is a dresser. Building the drawers. We're doing a great job. Update, we are almost done with all the drawers. We just put like the tracks on them. This is the last one. We just finished that. So now we're gonna move this to the room before we put the drawers in, and then we're gonna put the drawers in over there so it's not so heavy. But this literally took us, it's like nothing special, and it literally took us so freaking long. I need to sweep the floor, clean it. I did order a vacuum, so that should be coming this week, and then it'll be easy to keep the floors clean. But now we just need to, oh, thank you for doing that. We had these bins here. That's where all of that's where the drawer is gonna go. But we had all these bins here. Our room is kind of like a mess right now. We're trying to still figure out the whole situation. Look how good that looks here so far. This is gonna be a little basket of like extra linens. Right now we just have these extra like duvet covers in there, but once we switch out our bedding, which we're gonna do because right now we have like an ivory color, we're gonna obviously like update that, but that's just like backup for now. Here's the moment of truth. See if we did this right. Awesome! Perfection.
Perfect.
And these are the drawers. This is from Wayfair. The only little problem is that these drawers are not that deep, and these bins are kind of a little deeper than that and longer. So we're gonna have to figure out how this is gonna work out, but we're gonna start transferring all of our stuff. Okay, our dining chairs just arrived. Anthony's opening it up for us. Don't mind the mess here, but these are the dining chairs that we have from our New York apartment. And we got 2 other chairs. They don't look like this, they're wooden. And we decided to just like mix up the vibes here. Oh, I wonder if we have to put them together. Oh, are they already? Yes, they're already made. Okay. Ooh, it's the chair. Okay, lift out the first one. I'm so excited. Oh gosh. This is the grand reveal. Cute. Okay, let's see if it looks good next to our chair. I love it. We're doing this like little crisscross situation. We're doing like the diagonal matching chairs, and I think it looks so cute. We decided on this like mixed matched vibe just because we got these 2 chairs. We didn't want to get rid of them. We used to have them and they don't sell them anymore on Urban Outfitters, so we decided to get 2 wooden chairs to mix up. And then I saw a few like inspo pics on Pinterest that have like them all mixed chairs, like 4 completely different chairs, and it looked really good. I'm also gonna get like these like croc placemats, and it's gonna look so stinking good. So yeah, this is the table, and I'm actually so happy to have an actual table. At our last few apartments, we've only had like tiny little tables or tables that didn't completely fit more than 2 people, or even like regular size placemats. So I'm so happy to have this table here. I put these shelves up yesterday, and I think we're gonna do like wine right here, right? Or is that stupid? Like wine right there. This is just there for now. This is not, like, don't worry about this. This is just the utensils. I have to wash them. I have to hand wash them all, and then I'll put them away. But for now, I was just trying to mimic, like a cookbook, because I was hanging these shelves up yesterday and I wanted to see if like a cookbook would be able to still fit under there. That's where my cookbooks will be. But I was thinking like wines can be right here, and then I have these two little cocktail glasses here. I have some glasses from CB2 and West Elm that are gonna go up here as well. I have like a tortoiseshell glass that I want to put down here, and then 6 vintage green, like a greenish brown vintage drinking glasses there. So it's gonna look super cute. I don't know why this is here or how this came to be, but this is where this is gonna live right now. I don't have a place for this, so I'm like, I'm just gonna keep that there and we'll figure it out later. But we finally got our chairs in, so this is the table set. And then these are my beloved candle holders. So yeah, everything's coming along slowly but surely. I found this really cute like chrome bench that I want to put here, and then maybe put some like coffee table books on there. So last week I put up this magazine rack, and then I'm gonna play around with like the setup, but I think I'm gonna do like so I'm gonna do like diagonal from here, I'm gonna display them like that, and then diagonal from this one I'm gonna do 2 like that, and then up here I'll display them like that on this side, and then I'll display them like this on that side. So it's gonna be 2 more rows of magazines. That's why I have the tape there and everything. And then I don't know if we're gonna move this to the room or if we're gonna keep this here. We're still trying to figure that out. I have a bunch also of like fashion books. I'm gonna try and display them here. I think the games are gonna go into the cupboard up there. I don't know if you can see right there. I was thinking maybe we just put the games up there because it just kind of looks too messy right now. I don't know, and it's like overstimulating for me. And then I can maybe like stack coffee books here, maybe stack coffee books there, and then get some like decor pieces, elements, and fix up those. Maybe the middle, I was thinking like records for our record player. And then, yeah, I don't know. I still have to play around with this area, but I've just been focused on so many other things that I just have kind of like neglected this. And then we also just finally got our TV up, like maybe like last week. And then over here, I have this H&M home lamp, and then this here. And we just cover that when we're like cooking and stuff. I don't want the smell to like stick too much to the couch, or like also when we eat snacks on the couch. I just like to cover it, but I'm gonna uncover it soon. I'm not gonna film this process. It is so difficult, so I am just gonna show you when I'm done. Okay, after much hassle, blood, sweat, and tears, my racks are finally up. I'm so excited to start styling these. Yeah, this is a print household. I don't know if you can tell. Got the most exciting package. We finally got amplifiers for our record player. We've had a record player this whole time and didn't have an amplifier or speakers. We thought that we bought the one with built-in speakers. So for the past few years, we've literally had our record player and couldn't play any of the records that we've had. I have been collecting records though for the day that I did finally get around to getting one. So I'm gonna put this together right now and see if it works. Hopefully it does. And then I need to like style the credenza out and stuff.